Mortimer was stabbed in the chest in his home, and you're on jury duty. Who did it, and how sure are you? Let's evaluate the evidence. Mortimer was seen arguing with Hunter the week before he was killed. Is there sufficient evidence to convict Hunter? Might not be enough evidence yet, but Mortimer's home security camera showed Hunter entering the house on the day he was killed. Is this consistent with previous evidence? Does it support the idea that Hunter killed Mortimer? Is this sufficient evidence to convict him? Could there be another reason why Hunter was in Mortimer's home? Maybe to apologize. Okay, the camera also caught Hunter holding the knife an hour before Mortimer was killed. Is this consistent? Is it sufficient? I mean, probably. The odds that Hunter didn't stab Mortimer and someone else entered the house without being caught on camera is extremely unlikely. But maybe the person on camera looked like Hunter but wasn't him. Or maybe Hunter brought over an apology cake and used the knife to cut a slice, for which you would expect to find evidence. The point is, court cases and science have a lot in common. Both are based on the preponderance of evidence, not absolute certainty. We might never know for sure, which is why a guilty verdict requires evidence beyond a reasonable doubt. And both require observable evidence. This doesn't mean we need eyewitnesses, though. Imagine a detective saying, well, no one was there to see the crime, so we'll never know who did it. We could collect evidence from fingerprints, DNA, pieces of fabric left at the scene, and so many others. The more the different types of evidence point to the same conclusion, the higher our certainty. But there's always a chance for wrong, even if there were eyewitnesses, as eyewitnesses are notoriously unreliable. Remember this example in other areas of your life when you're trying to figure out if something is true. Be skeptical, demand evidence, and be willing to change your mind.